everyone and welcome back to my channel. Finally we have another KnitCrate unboxing. If you're not familiar with KnitCrate, it's a yarn subscription, like a monthly yarn subscription. You pay a certain amount of money. I think it varies from $19.99 to $34.99. I'm not sure. I will link their website down below, as well as a 20% off code that you can have for your first order. So you pay a certain amount of money monthly, and then you get delivered a beautiful yarn along with patterns that you can use the yarn for. So if you're struggling to know what you're knitting, what you want to knit, you don't have inspiration, you can get your yarn and your patterns all in one every month on your doorstep, and the amount of yarn you get for the money you pay, it's almost double, mostly every month. The one we have here is the membership KnitCrate, so you can have a sock crate, an artisan crate. They have different kind of crates, as well as a shop where you can buy just yarn if you just want yarn. This is for February. They do come quite late these days because of the pandemic, so this came about a week and a half ago, so quite like late March, beginning of April, the February KnitCrate, but it's still all right, you know. You still get your patterns, you still get your yarn, and you still get to knit with beautiful hand-dyed yarn, unique hand-dyed yarn pretty much. So Unwind is this is February 2021's theme, and without giving anything away, I will read a little bit about it. It's a featured tree planting project along with this crate, and you can pause and read all about it. I will hold it like this. And this month's theme is Unwind. Sink into cozy comfort with your favorite cup of Unwind with this month's selections: plush pillows and oversized loungewear. Let our minds and bodies relax into spring. The membership KnitCrate features these colors, so mossy green, more like a forest green, a brown and a yellow, and the sock crate features, you can't see all of it here, but it's like a pink, a sparkly purple, a cream, and a little bit of navy underneath there. I will link down below so you can go and have a look at all the beautiful colorways that they have, and also their on their Instagram you can see all different projects that people have used the yarn for. If you would like a 20% off your first order, follow the link in the description down below and put in the code TEO20 and you get 20% off your first order. Let's have a look at the beautiful yarn. I love this color. It's Ordine Wools by KnitCrate, and it's called Calm. It has an 80% wool, 10% silk, and 10% mohair. You can see it has a little bit of a sheen. You can see the silk mohair, which gives it a little bit of a halo. And you've got the sturdiness of the wool, which is amazing. It's extra soft. It has beautiful speckles of, or like tones of reddish brown with warmer and cooler tones, and a sheen from the silk. It's just gorgeous. And I have two skeins. I believe one skein retails for $28. In my KnitCrate, which is $24.99, you get two skeins, so you can imagine you get a lot more wool for the money you pay, and as well you get patterns. It's a DK weight 211 meters per 100 grams, and they tell you can use needles between 375 to 4.5 millimeters or hooks. It's made in Peru. All Odin wools yarns are made exclusively for KnitCrate, and they both have the same lot, which is good because when you knit you don't want to have two different lots. That creates a kind of different shade. Now, one thing I wanted to say is that as soon as I got my KnitCrate, I opened it and I went straight to their website and got some more yarn, and they didn't have this particular one. I wanted this shade maybe to create a garment with it, because this is not enough to create a sweater. It's not a sweater quantity. But I did find two different colorways, more like the greeny ones. I found both of these, so I ordered two of these and one of these, and I will put it all together and see how it looks like, and then maybe create a color work project with it. It will be enough for like a top, like a sweater or a cardigan, more like a cropped version. So I'm looking forward to getting that delivery. But so far I've got this and I admire it every day. I have it out and I keep looking at it and hoping that the other colorways are going to be just as gorgeous as this, and my plans for it will be successful. You also get an extra, and this month extra is measuring tape, which is very, very helpful. All you need is yarn, it says on it. It also has a cord. You can put it around your neck if you want. I don't really do that, but I always lose my tape, measuring tape. I've got so many everywhere. I have another one that I had from KnitCrate. I put it, pretty much all my knitting bags have a measuring tape. Sometimes I also put a row counter in them. But this, it's very helpful, very pretty. It's in a heart shape, and I look forward to using it. I think it expands to a meter, more than a meter. 1.5. Yeah, that's it. 1.5 or 60 inches. It's perfect. So thank you, KnitCrate, for this beautiful crate this month. I am so excited to see what else they've got for March and for April. I haven't had news from them whether they're coming anytime soon, but I mean, you know, you always have other stashed yarns that you can dig into to create something new. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description down below for all the information and where you can get your discounts and everything, and more colorways of this beautiful yarn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.